Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the watch and removing it from the charger to avoid shorts. Once done, use bright light and a loupe if available to locate rust on the charging pins and surrounding contacts. You need 99% isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free microfiber, a soft nylon brush, a wooden toothpick, and one cotton swab. These tools remove corrosion without damaging coatings. Begin gently. The goal is to expose surface rust without bending pins. You apply a single swab of 99% isopropyl to the rusted area and let it dissolve surface oxides for 15-30 seconds. This weakens corrosion bonds. Then, make short controlled strokes with a soft brush to lift particles and carefully use a wooden toothpick to coax flakes away, never metal, which can scratch plating. Once loosened, wipe with the microfiber cloth and inspect. Repeat sparingly. You're removing oxide, not base metal, so frequent checks prevent overcleaning. You finish by giving the contacts one last alcohol wipe and then drying thoroughly with airflow or a soft cloth to remove moisture. Once dry, test charge for a short period to confirm connectivity. If it charges, apply a microscopic smear of dielectric grease to slow future rusting and reassemble. If charging still fails, make sure the cable is known good and re-clean. If problems persist, seek professional repair, because underlying pin damage or internal corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.